Hi, Luke here from Helix ML. Just a very quick update on Helix Code on this dark and stormy Halloween night. We now have spec tasks wired up, so we can say, write me a snake game in Python. And they're wired up to repositories, so we can wire it up to snaky py with a default agent. Different agents can have different MCP configurations and RAG sources. Snaky py 2, and I can create a second one for write me a snake game in Rust, and create another new repo. We also have demo repos for different examples. Call that Rusty Snake, and then I should be able to hit start planning on both of those at the same time. So you can see those environments live here in the UI, and you can also jump into one of them and go in and live stream that desktop. If you want to pair with that agent, and you can do that through the browser. You can also jump in here with a very high resolution and performance Moonlight client. Sorry. Here's one. So I need to pair this Moonlight client with my dev environment, which is 0426. So I can pair like this, 0246. Okay, and so, oh, what? 6458. Let's try that again. Second time lucky. Okay, so now I can go in here. And this is an extremely high performance environment. Let me move that over here. Oh, no, not that one. That's a boring old RDP session. This one here. Okay, so now I can find XWOR. XWOR is here. I can join it. Even get sound effects. I can do 7060, 7060, which I can use it doing the keyboard. And yeah, you can see that we are diligently writing out the spec for a snake game written in, which one is this? In Rust. Oh, it's doing a terminal-based UI. So I now might say, oh, I can see that it's doing a terminal-based UI, and I can say, actually, I prefer, and this feels so native, it feels like I'm typing like locally on my machine. Latency is brilliant. And I can say, actually, I prefer to have it rendered as a GL application rather than in the terminal. And so you can see here I'm steering the agent live in this sort of pair programming session. And you can see I've got these requirements files that it's writing out, written out here in a work tree. So that's all for now. This is coming together really nicely. The idea with the spec-based development here is that you can kind of get a 30,000-foot view over what all of your agents are doing in parallel. And of course, in practice, what you would have instead of creating two separate projects and two separate repos is that each of these tasks would be like a small task on an existing repo, and that all of these agents would be collaborating on their own branches, making pull requests that ultimately humans would review and merge, maybe with the help of our PR agent. Okay, that's enough for now. Thanks for watching. Oh, and if you want to join our private beta, if you're not already one of our customers, then go to Helix ML, hit up code. This stuff is all brand new and coming soon. And there's open for private beta. There's a link there that will jump you into our Discord channel, where you can see we already have an exciting community of people who are doing things like getting Helix Code running on macOS, which I can't wait. So thanks for watching.